What are you doing?
We're camping in the living room. You wanna go camping, buddy?
We're getting ready to go camping one day. We're role-playing. We're pretending. Because it's too hot outside right now, huh? Are you tap dancing? Hi.
Hi.
How old are you, Nate?
Whoa.
Ooh, oopsie daisy. Nate is 18 months. Good.
18 months. 18 months. 18 months. Who's a big boy?
And he just got a new haircut. He looks so
What's
sharp.
your favorite word? Say dada.
Da-da-da.
Oh, da.
And SpongeBob.
What about get SpongeBob?
Where's SpongeBob?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob wants to go camping.
Bring SpongeBob in.
SpongeBob wants to camp too.
Who's this, Nate? SpongeBob? Hi, Nate. I'm SpongeBob. Give me kisses.
Aw, you're so sweet.
Good kisses to SpongeBob.
You're so sweet.
Say bye-bye, SpongeBob.
Hey, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, SpongeBob. You want to get a SpongeBob kiss again?
You gonna shake his hand?
Good friends. Good friends with SpongeBob. Shake his hand.
If you're wondering why Jason's hands are blue, can you explain? He's preparing for the Blue Man group. He's trying out for the Blue Man group.
Instead of call me. Tickle, 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 tickle. Hey.
Nate loves his tent. When we were putting it up, he just would not sit still. He wanted to explore. We're gonna have to go camping. This thing is cool.
Let's hide from the mama.
Uh-oh. Bye-bye.
Hide from the mama.
Bye-bye.
Uh-oh. Zippers. Hide from the mama.
Where's Nate? Oh no!
Where's the mama?
Where's Nate? Hey! I see you. This is a truck tent. Goes on the back of Jason's truck.
Dada! Dada!
Where's Nate?
Peekaboo!
Nate, say bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. He's gonna